I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato soup. Start by gathering ripe tomatoes, onions, garlic, olive oil, broth, salt, and pepper. Chop tomatoes and aromatics into even pieces to ensure uniform cooking. Heat olive oil in a large pot, then sweat onions and garlic until soft and translucent. Add tomatoes and broth, bring to a simmer, and cook until tomatoes break down. Begin by heating olive oil and gently sautéing onions and garlic until fragrant and translucent. Add chopped tomatoes and 3 cups of broth, then bring the pot to a gentle simmer. Let the mixture reduce and concentrate for about 20 to 25 minutes to develop flavor. Use an immersion blender or transfer in batches to a blender for a silky texture. Taste and adjust with salt, pepper, or a splash of cream if you like. For serving, add a splash of cream or a drizzle of high-quality olive oil to enrich the soup. Garnish with fresh basil leaves, crunchy croutons, or a sprinkle of grated Parmesan to add texture and brightness. Offer lemon wedges or vinegar on the side to brighten flavors if needed. Store leftovers in airtight containers for up to 4 days, or freeze portions for easy meals later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.